A should not be 0. A cannot be 0. Only then it is called quadratic equation. What happens if A is equal to 0?
The equation will be 0, sir.
The first term disappears. If A is equal to 0, the first term, that is x square term, disappears. Yeah, put A is equal to 0. 0 into x square is 0.
Yes, sir.
That's why the first term disappears. That's
yes,
why
sir.
To maintain its definition, A cannot be 0, the main condition. It may be a point to remember.
Yes, sir.
The condition for ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation is that A cannot be 0. A should not be 0, right? Now, let us use A plus B whole square formula to solve this equation. Most of us know the formula x is equal, do you remember it? Minus b plus or minus the square root of
b square minus
4ac by 2a. But where if you know how it came or how it comes, x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a is formula to find the value of x in quadratic equations. But it is very important to know how it comes, how this formula derives. Now, let's know how this formula comes. First, transform. Yeah, in your language, in that concept, add minus 6 on both sides. Let us use that concept as I told previously. We are subtracting or we are adding minus c on both sides. Let us see what happens. Ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, minus c is equal to 0 minus c. Getting me? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
What happens now? You told me this previously. How the algebraic equations are solved in US.
Yes, sir.
Now what happens?
The zeros get cancelled.
Yeah, plus c minus c cancels, right?
Yes.
Now multiply by 4a on both sides. We are multiplying by 4a on both sides. 4a times ax square plus bx is equal to
4
times minus c. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is 4a times ax square? That is 4a square x square, right?
Yes, sir.
Next, 4abx is equal to minus 4ac. Clear?
Yes.
Right. Now, I want to write 4 as 2 square. Agree?
Yes, sir.
4 is 2 square. A square, x square. That is 2ax whole square. Agree?
Yes.
4a square x square is nothing but 2ax whole square. Now, this 4abx can be written as, can be expressed as 2 times of 2ax. This is 2ax. Right?
Yes.
Now, what is to be multiplied with 2ax to make it 4abx? Actually, there is 4abx. Actually, it is the 4abx. But what is to be added to make it 4abx?
B, sir.
Yeah, b. It should be multiplied by b only, right? For abx is written or is expressed as 2 into 2ax into b. Now it is equal to 4abx, right?
Yes.
See, that is minus 4ac. You know a plus b whole square formula? A
Yes,
square
sir.
plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus b 2ab plus b square. When we remember that formula, this is a square. A square means what here? 2ax. 2ab. See, matching. A square 2a. A square plus 2ab. What is b here? B is b only.
Yes, sir.
A square. A means what here? What is a here?
2x.
Very good. What is b here? B only.
B.
But is it completed? A plus b whole square formula is completed? Is not or not completed?
Now complete.
What should we add to make it complete? To make it a plus b whole square formula?
B square, sir.
Yes, b square is to be added. But as per the rules of equation, if whatever you add, it should be added on both sides.
Yes, sir.
So we are adding plus b square on both sides. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is left hand side? It is in the form of a plus b whole square formula. You know, a square plus 2ab plus b square is a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square is a plus b whole square.
Yes, sir.
Then what is this left hand side? A square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus b whole square. Use a plus b whole square.
2x plus
Very
b
good.
whole
Very good. That's right. 2ax plus b whole
whole
square.
square.
Right hand side is b square minus 4ac. Now taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. 2ax plus b is equal plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac. It is enough to write plus or minus in any one side. We need not write both sides plus or minus. Whenever root comes, we should write plus or minus. Okay, why we should write plus or minus? Do you know the reason? Why we should write plus or minus whenever we find root, square root? See, what's the value of minus 4 whole square?
16, sir.
Plus 16, right?
Yes, sir.
What's the value of plus 4 whole square?
Plus 16, sir.
Plus 16. Same. So, what's the value of the square root of 16? It can be plus 6, plus 4 or
Plus-
minus 4.
Yes, sir.
That's why the square root of 16 is equal to plus or minus 4. That's why we write generally plus or minus whenever we find root. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then why didn't we write plus or minus in left hand side? It is enough to write plus or minus in any side. We need not write both sides. Okay. Now what happens? The square root of 2x plus b whole square, root and square cancels. We left with
2ax plus b
is equal
equals plus or minus
the square root of
b square minus 4ac.
b square minus 4ac. Very good. Now bring that plus b to right hand side. 2x is equal to, I try to teach in our language. That means in the style of US, not bringing plus b to right hand side. It is adding minus b on both sides. Am I right?
Yes.
Actually, it is 2x plus b. We are adding minus b on both sides. Is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac. Actually, it is the original style. There is no concept of bringing something to something to right hand side. That's not the mathematical terms or mathematical words. See what happens now. Plus b minus b get cancels.
Cancelled.
2x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac. So
Yes.
the last equation is 2ax is equal to minus b plus or
Root
minus
b
the
square-
square root of b square minus 4ac.
Yes, sir.
We are just one step away for the result.
Yes, sir. X equals negative b
Yeah.
plus
How
or
it
minus.
comes? Dividing both sides by 2a.
2a. Yes.
Dividing both sides by 2a, we left with x in left hand side. See, can you write the last step? Last step on the screen.
Yes. So it's x equals minus
Writing
b.
directly. You are writing directly.
Yes.
Bringing
You want me
to right hand side. Use that
Oh,
concept. Use the original concept. Yeah. 2x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of
x equals minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac, and divide both sides by 2a. 2a gets cancelled. Therefore, x equals negative b positive b square minus 4ac over 2ac. Yes.
that's good. How? You know how the formula comes? It is formula, the most popular formula in algebra, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4a by 2a, right? And one more reason, there is one more reason to mention strictly that a should not be 0. Okay, do you remember in the beginning of this discussion, this explanation, we mentioned, or we stressed on the point a not equal to 0. Okay,
So when we put a
is very
equals
important.
0, won't the
What's one
equation be
reason for a should not be 0?
that the x square value will be disappeared?
Yeah, this term will disappear. If a is equal to 0, this term will disappear because something into 0 into x square 0. And one more reason, if a is equal to 0, then a should be the denominator.
Yes.
Do you know what happens? Do you know what happens when a is in denominator?
Yes.
Something by 0. It's
be
not
undefined.
possible. Something by
Yes.
0, it's not possible. Do you one surprising thing?